Installing Netdata is really easy in FreeBSD. This very short video will show you how to. Right, the first thing we need to do is update the package database and pull in the latest packages. So we'll issue pkg update and pkg upgrade, and of course on this particular system everything is up to date. Then we search for Netdata and we see two packages there. We just really need to install the top one. And so if we do as pkg install Netdata, it'll pull in some Python dependencies. It's not too many. And there we are, it's done. Right, we need to issue a sysrc command to put it in the rc.conf, and that's to tell it that to start Netdata when we start the system up. So we do netdata _ enable equals yes. This will enable us to both start Netdata now, but also when the system reboots. We can start Netdata now without rebooting. There's two ways to do it, and I'll show you the traditional way, which I'm typing in now. It's rather long-winded, but what it basically does is start Netdata by what's in rc.conf. Or, we'll stop it now so I can show you the other way. A much better way that I prefer is you just do service Netdata start. And it does the same thing, it's just much shorter. And we can check that Netdata is listening on the correct ports. Just type that right. Pipe it into grep, and we're looking for port 19999. And there we are, it's listening, so everything's working alright. Next we're doing a simple configuration. There are other options you can choose, of course, and I'll leave a link below to what they are. But for now, just for demonstration purposes and to get you up and going quickly, we're just going to edit a file which is netdata.conf. And really what we need to do is just change the IP of the machine where it's installed on. And for this case, I'm using one of my NFS servers just to test it on. So I'm just going to get rid of the local host and change it to the correct IP. And then we'll just have to restart Netdata. So I'll just put re in front of that. There we go. Now, if you fire up a browser and you put in the previous IP that I put in which case it's the NFS server, and there you are. It comes up all nice and pretty. Really easy to do, easy to get up and going. Of course, there are better configurations out there, but for a basic one to get you up and going quickly, you can't beat this. So yes, very nice indeed. It is really super easy to install and get going on FreeBSD. I've seen some videos on Linux, and it's a different issue. But on FreeBSD, it's really easy. Anyway, hopefully this was useful to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.